A geomagnetic storm is a major disturbance
And
of
now
Earth's
you can
magnetosphere
listen.
that occurs when there is a very efficient exchange.
Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about another AI feature on Samsung phone, and it's called Read Aloud. To find it you can go to settings and here just scroll down and tap on advanced feature, and here we have intelligent features. Swipe down and here we have Read Aloud. This Samsung, it's a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025. The intelligent features doesn't appear on all models. This is with Android 16 and One UI 8.1. So if you have this feature, you can use it, and I will tap to go inside and let's see what we have here. So you can listen to web pages and articles read aloud. From here you can install voice data. Just choose your native language and then download and install. And also we have here some voice styles. Just choose your favorite one. Now, to test it, I will go to Samsung Internet Browser, and here I have some web pages with articles about geomagnetic storms. And if you don't want to read this page, but also you are interested about what is written here, you can use this AI feature. And to use it, just tap here on the AI icon like this, and now tap Read Aloud.
Geomagnetic storms. Geomagnetic storms. A geomagnetic storm is a major disturbance
And
of
now
Earth's
you can
magnetosphere
listen.
that occurs when there is a very efficient exchange of energy from the solar wind into the space environment surrounding Earth.
So it is very easy, in my opinion. It's a good feature, and it's very useful when you have long articles to read. Please leave me in the comment area if you test it and how it's working for you, and also what is your opinion about this feature. And also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.